What happens when your asset is not performing at its best or breaks down abruptly? Consequences include inadequate production output, delayed operations, monetary losses, and poor customer service. Capgemini's intelligent asset monitoring solution, developed in collaboration with Intel, is an end-to-end IoT monitoring solution that provides the ability to automatically collect, analyze, and respond to asset data from devices, sensors, machines, and people so that such situations never arise. Let's see how. This demo uses a real-life example. A utility wanted to optimize operations for a solar community. The solution centrally manages solar panels and monitors power output, home consumption, and battery charge level. The system supervises installations and provides separate dashboards for customers. The system always knows what's going on through status and error displays. The Enable Device feature easily auto-discovers added gateways to create new accounts. The dashboard offers a full set of flexible management features. View energy usage per residential customer. The blue bar shows energy from the grid and the orange bar energy from the solar panels. Customers pay only for what they use from the grid. All alarm history and device parameter modifications are stored and easily accessible. This is only a sample of what the solution can do. Intelligent Asset Monitoring is an Intel market-ready solution based on Capgemini's cybersecurity certified future-proof XIoT platform. Let's take a look at the solution benefits in more detail. Intelligent Asset Monitoring enables businesses to monitor asset performance to ensure production targets are met, monitor asset maintenance to reduce costs, set alarms for identifying risk, pinpointing issues, and scheduling maintenance, increase safety for maintenance personnel, prevent issues before point of failure, scale and handle big data from millions of endpoint devices using XIoT, integrate flexibility with third-party analytics, apps, and clients through XIoT middleware, prevent cybersecurity threats, aggregate and analyze data from various operational and business applications with XIoT analytics, enable 3D location identification at a low power factor, enjoy additional services that range from one-time maintenance to full end-to-end operations and customer support. Jumpstart your journey into the intelligent management of mission-critical assets with Intelligent Asset Monitoring. For more information, speak with one of our experts and visit capgemini.com.